in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, western Champaign County, southwestern Logan County, northwestern Cork County, eastern Miami County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Troy, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Troy, Sydney, Piqua, Belle Fountain, Urbana, Tip City, St. Paris, West Liberty, DeGraff, Quincy, Christiansburg, Northampton, Fletcher, Tremont City, Port Jefferson, Castown, Thackeray, Westville, McMorran, and Geyser Lake State Park. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 67 and 69, and between mile markers 85 and 92.